To make good decisions in life, data is important. Data helps us to make informed decisions on a variety of issues, such as the price of various goods and services, the number of goods to be produced, and so on. Data can also inform us about how many times we eat in a day, how many times we take our bath, how many times we read in a week, and how many times we play football in a week. In today's lesson, I will introduce you to tables. This is a basic tool for analyzing economic problems. These tools make it easier to understand and interpret economic relationships. A table is simply the arrangement of information or data, typically in rows and columns. As an example, we can use a table to show the data of number of vehicles demanded as price level changes. The table on the screen shows that as prices increase, the number of vehicles demanded reduces. When the price was at $1,000, the number of vehicles demanded stood at 70. However, when the price increased to $6,000, the number of vehicles that was demanded reduced to only 10. As you can see, the table makes data and observations easier to understand than putting it in just mere words. When using a table, there are some rules that must be followed. These rules can also be termed as the characteristics of a table. So let's have them. Rule 1. A table must have a title. Rule 2. The units of the measurement used in the table must be stated. Rule 3. The subheadings for the columns and rows must also be stated. Rule 4. A table must be numbered if there are many entries. And Rule 5. If the source of the information is known, it should be stated. Now that we know the characteristics of a table, why is a table important anyway? A table is a good way to summarize data. It makes comparison of different classes of data very, very easy. And a table brings out the important features in a data set. I am sure you have enjoyed this interesting topic with me. Stick with me and I will bring to you more interesting topics on data presentation.